Then we'll crochet the chicken's claws. Take out our yellow thread. Make a magic ring. First, single crochet 6 in the ring. After completed, tighten the loop and make a slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the second round. For this round, we'll repeat 1 single crochets, 1 increase 3 times. Single crochet 1. 1 single crochet increases. The first set is completed. The second group is completed. The third group is completed. After completion, slip stitches into the first stitch to join. Our second round is completed. Then, make 2 chain stitches to start the third round. In this stitch, work 1 double crochet. Then make 1 treble crochet in the same stitch. Pass the thread through the first 2 loops. The last 2 loops. After completing the last 2 loops, 1 double crochet in same stitch. The first one is done. Then slip in the next stitch. Chain 2. In this stitch, work 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, and 1 double crochet. We hooked a slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 2. In this stitch, work 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, and 1 double crochet. Then connect the next stitch with a slip stitch. Leave a long thread. We need to crochet 2.